Tihlansi divakashele indlebe njengoba abafundi bomtutsheni betkwetitimele beleclass la 2023 bebalanza imphumela yabo. Ibhodi lengamele lihlolo lwesikolo ikhiphele imphumela itolo kusihlo lapho khona lizinga lokuphasa libe ku-98.46%.
Kulabafundi kusebenta madima nekunaka tifundvo tabo ngiko lekubende baphumelela ngemalengiso.
I was head girl, so there was a lot of pressure. I was also first team captain. I was also doing arts and drama. I was doing a lot of things. So the pressures of what all of those roles expected from me was very hard. But I think I learned that if you just pace yourself, you'll be okay.
I take rest when I really needed it, and pray like God really helped me through it. By God's grace, honestly. So yeah, no, and my teachers, they really helped me, and the support from my friends and my parents was really wow.
Ganzi thishela nhloko walesikolo uthi kusekela abafundi kusekele ekuqaleni kwente timfo tibe lula.
They really pulled the rabbit out of the hat, and they have surprised us with some amazing results, and they've worked incredibly hard for these results.
Ganzi ke eLimpopo tikolo letimbili letitimele Pulukwane nato tibungate imiphumela ebafundi bamatikuletsheni banga 2023.
I would like to take this chance and thank God and also my mother, my grandparents. They've always been there for me every step ahead, and I appreciate them each and every moment of my life.
Nasesiye Ntshonalanga Kapa injabulo igcwele ebusweni kubafundi labathole imiphumela yabo yamatikuletsheni. Tikolo letinzatfu letitimele teRedam House tiphumelela nga 100%.
I think a lot of the preparation is outside of the study room. It's a lot of the work goes in while I'm in the classroom in my day-to-day life. Obviously the first time I'm exposed to the material is where I want to pay most attention, I would say. But then as far as specific study methods, there's a lot of evidence-based things I've been taking into account, such as active recall, for example.
Lolu hlolo lwamatikuletsheni letikolo letitimele lubhalwe bafundi labalinganiselwa ku-15,000 velonke eminyakeni lowengcile.
Nala bakithi-ke sibutile mbukele ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi sisebenza njani isikolo sangakini njengoba lokuphuma imphumela yamatikuletsheni.
Kulonyaka abasebenzile abantwana abafundile iziphazamiso bezimbalwa kakhulu so ndinethemba indoba iziphumo zizabazihle nazo zizawuncumisa.
Ngisacela ukufisela abafundi basemsinga lapha la eSABC high school ebubesini esikoleni ngafunda kusona ngiyazi bazophasa uthisha bakhona bayimisela kakhulu ekufundiseni abantwana.
Esangakuthi isikolo eKwayimani SSS yathemba siqhubeka kuhle kakhulu ngoba abahlohli bakhona bayazimisela abathi ngixesha lokuhlohla.
Nginethemba labantwana ukuthi benze kahle nekole zangasekhaya umsimude nomtoqotho high school. Ngithemba ukuthi benze kahle nongaphumelelanga angalahli ithemba.
Ngiyathemba ukuthi iMambane secondary school la kithi eMpumalanga eNkomazi eBlock sebenze kakhulu ngoba ke cabanga labo thishela bebanaso isikhathi sokubafundisa abantwana.
Njengoba ziphuma namhlanje iziphumo ngematric ndilindele kweqela lethu ibe kanti iziphumo ezincumisayo ibe kanti abantwana bethu baphumelele ngobuninzi babo.
Lona ngombono wembukeli iSABC ete iyaphucelela ukuthi iphendulele ngawo. Inhlangano iChange starts now ihambisana nokuthi imincele kuleli ibe ngilevutako kepha ke futhi ayikahlosi ukuthi inhlanga letahlukene kuleli igcine setibambana ngehluthu. Lona ngilomnye ibigomo yaleli qembu lekhulunywa ngawo ejidela abasikade Constitutional Hill lamuhla. Leli qembu lethulwe ngenyanga engongoni nyakenye esikhatsini lapho khona kubonakele kuba netinguquko esimeni setepolitiki kuleli.
Our country.
Inhlangano tepolitiki lesanza kusungulwa iChange starts now inikete ngemibono yayo ngetingcinamba letibuyena live ngaphambi kwekuthi kucela ukhetho lolutako lonyaka. Kulokunye lenhlangano lekubeka ebaleni ngololudzaba lwetingcinamba tekungena kuphuma kuleli njengoba ithi nanoma imincele yakuleli kumele igadwe ngendlela engiyo kepha ihambisane ukucoshwa kwabantu bekuchamuka.
No sovereign state can possibly have porous borders. It's just not something to countenance. And so part of our manifesto and the way we approach this will deal with how do we deal with our borders, the documentation of people coming into this country.
Ludzaba lekuhamba kwagesi ngenhloso yokumonga ngilolunye loluhambe embili enkulumeni yaJardin lapho athe khona lokhu kungacedwa.
It is very clear if things stay as they are, if the current government remains in power, rather than ending load shedding in 3 or 4 years, we will likely suffer under this crisis for a further 10 years or perhaps forever.
Njengobantu bakuleli babukene ingcinamba imihla nemalanga lapho bahlala khona ngala banikwa nethembiso lena nalena labangakhetha kuto ngaphambi kwelukhetho umbuto lokhona ukuthi ngabe lenhlangano lesanza kuvula inato yentinsithe etayenda ukuthi isimame njengaleto levele tikhona leyocucelana nato kanza phendula lo mbuto lona Jardine uthi lenhlangano ihamba ngalolunye lunyawo lolungafuni ukuthi ingaba nemagatsha velonke nekuthi bambe inkonfa kusho nje lokunye kwako.
We have volunteers and people across the length and breadth of this country who are ready to work with us.
Lenhlangano kulenzele ukuthi ibambe umhlahlandlela wayo ngenyanga letako.
Ikomishana letimele lukhetho icela abo labatawungelela lukhetho lonyaka ukuthi bagweme kuveta tindlu letingasekelo nabagcika inhlelo lukhetho naso lesikhungo sikusaso. Lokulandzela iphimselo lamengameli waphambili Jacob Zuma lapha agcike khona indlela lekuvotwa ngayo kuleli. Lesikhungo kufanele siphinze siphendule ukuthi kungani ngado letekhetho yabhalisa umkhondo wesizwe njengelicembu lepolitiki lapho khona amaqembu laphikisako afuna ukuthi lesikhungo siphenye nangetindzaba tetimali telicembu lelibusako.
Evikini lengcile emhlanganweni welukhetho mengameli wangaphambilini wakuleli Jacob Zuma uphinzile tengembuto luhlelo lolulandzelana kuvotwa kuleli. Zuma usilokufihla kwaletinye tindvo nakuvotwa kuhambisana ngohlakalo kanye nemkhonyovu.
Maybe we need to change the way to vote. What is this thing of the vote is secret that no one knows? Then it is counted elsewhere.
IEC tinshaya ngenhlane kaye letinsolo letendiwe ngumengameli wangaphambilini Zuma yavakalisa ukuthi lukhetho lakuleli alinawo umkhonyovu.
Firstly, we count in front of party agents at the voting station. The presiding officer announces the result of the election at that voting station, and a copy of the results is pasted on the door.
IEC tawube ivikela iphinze itiphendvulele ngikubhaliswa kwemkhonto wesizwe njengenhlangano njengoba iANC sehambisela ludzaba enkantolo ngikuthi umbukiso womkhonto wesizwe ufana ncamashinalo nolicembu lemasotsha eANC emkhonto wesizwe.
When an application lands before them, they've got to verify that that party that requests registration does not bear the symbols of a party already registered. So all that analysis was done in respect of MK, and it was found that there was no party with similar symbols.
Kuletinye tindzaba letivelako namanye amaqembu laphikisa kokufaka ikhasi Action SA yento libito ku IEC kuthi yento liphenyo ukuthi iANC kwati njani kwenda umcimbi eMpumalanga lapho beyibongata iminyaka lelikhulu nelishumi njengoba engakalongisi inkinga tayo neIEC. Leli qembu lelibusako libukene novumatima njengoba lehlele ukubhadala inkampani iEzulwini Investment imali lebalelo 102 million wemarandi liyasetshenziswa kwenda embukiso ngesikhathi lukhetho la 2019.
It is important that when aspersions are cast against the Commission, they must be rooted in the Constitution as well as in the law. You've got to be able to say this officer of the Commission has behaved in a manner that goes against the values of the Constitution.
Ganzike tisengakasonjulula tinkinga emkhathini kwe-ANC nemkhonto wesizwe.
Sexwayisa ukuthi kwendeka labanye babukeli bethu ungabehli kahle lo mbiko lolandzelako. Indlela amaphoyisa bheka icele ithi inandla kuyindzawo lesenyakatho elithe kuyibanga ekutheni ibe lekhaya lemigulukudu. Icele uvakashela indzawo yesigameko lapho kubolwe khona abasoleli abasithupha ngesikhathi kudutshulwana namaphoyisa. Lesigameko sendeke nakudzabuka kusa kwalamuhla. Kulesinye isigameko kutholakala abantu labasihlanu bemndeni munye bafile ekhaya labo Edendale ePietermaritzburg.
Tibalo takamuva letikhomba lizinga lebugebengu tivete ukuthi inanda lidolobha lelihamba embili kulelive ngebugebengu. Ganzi lomuhla ekuseni kubulawe basolwa labasithupha ngemuva kwekudubulana nemaphoyisa. labasolwa bebathungatfwa mayelana nemacala lamanyenti lafaka ekhatsi kubulala nekweba timoto. Siteshi semaphoyisa sasenanda sichubeka nekuba nelizinga lelisetulu lebugebengu bekubulala nekugagadlela.
These criminals, they would be operating around the area, but they also do use this place as a base. For instance, this group that was shot also committed some crime in Pongolo. One of the firearms that has been found is they stole it from one business in Pongolo where they robbed this firearm and they robbed 60,000 ransom. Criminality is trying to advance, but also as the police we are really finding ourselves pushing back, and with some few successes at the present moment, and we hope the police, that's a way will take to say not in our name, not in our presence, will be here and push back on criminality.
Emaphoyisa acela labanelwati bavele kulandzela kubulawa kwemalunga emndeni lowodwa lasihlanu ekhalawo ePietermaritzburg. Letisulu lekubantfu labadzala lababili nebantfwana labatsatfu balimale kakhulu enhloko kanti kukholelwa ukuthi kusetjentiswe lizembe kulesigameko.
Letinye nasibetolo taqhubeka nekwenta umonakalo esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal timvula lethamba netikhukhula. Tindzaba teSiswati la SABC isigaba sesibili nakusanza kungena sekwemukela sekhona hlala nathi phethe kahle. Isihlalo wekomiti ePhalamende libuye kuthuthukiswa kwamabhizinisi amancane Violet Swela akasekho emhlabeni. Swela bekathe lilunga lesigungu lesetulu ku-ANC kanti futhi wake waba lesekela lesihlalo we-ANC eMpumalanga ngesikhansili isekela phambili abengameli we-ANC David Mabuza lingusihlalo kulesifundza. Swela ushona esibhedlela ePitoli kulandzela kuhlangahlangana emva kwekuhlindwa ngemsobuluko. Umufi wendlule emhlabeni leminyaka lengama-60 nesiphohlongo.
Kuhlangene tihlobo nebangane baViolet Swela ngemuva kwembiko yokuthi ushonile. Swela bekangutishela ngakwetifundvo aphindza abe naletinye ticu kanti ushona emva kwamalanga amathathu acedza kuhlinzwa.
Asilimele kakhulu emoyeni ngoba make umuntu wabantu bangabuki ukuthi wena obani bayenza by all means ukuthi wonke umuntu uyakhona accommodate empilweni yakhe. Basita kakhulu naku organization ye-ANC kakhulu bayithanza ngeyonke inhlito yakhe ye-ANC.
Umndeni wehluleka kwamukela lokushona kwaSwela. I-ANC esifundeni seMpumalanga ibabade Swela ngokwethembeka kanye nokusebenza ukuthi ikhandla.
Sidlulisa amezwi enduduzo emndenini nasebantwaneni ngoba uzokhumbula ukuthi umama uSwela udlala indima enkulu ngaphakathi kwezombanganaga ekhaya alilunga le-ANC eMpumalanga ukhulela khona ngilento esikhuluphele bonyana abantu abatsha abanengi especially abantwana babentazana aboma basavukayo bazimisele khulu ukufunda kukhulu kuye.
Nakuhlanganiswa lo mbiko belingakabekwa lilanga lenkonzo yesikhumbuzo.
Solo siyachubeka nekuhlasela simo selitulu lesibe esifundeni saKwaZulu-Natal. Tindzawo letimbala ngaphansi kwamasipala waseThekwini iHowick neTigodi laseLembe kunetinye tindzawo letishayeke kamatima. Tangoma telitulu tikhiphe isixwayiso sesigaba sesihlanu sesimo selitulu lesibe kuletinye tindzawo kulesifundza.
Ngilapha ke namhlanje endaweni yasemhlanga eThekwini nala khona ke kucace bha ukuthi ke lo monakalo udalwa ke isimo sezulu ukhahlameza ke kakhulu ingqalasizinda ke futhi yawo ke umkhandlo weTheku nawo eminye ke futhi ke imkhandlo ngikhuluma ngeindawo ke ezibalekayo ke ezithintakayo kulezi inhlekelele ezenzekile ngikhuluma ke ngendawo yaseStenga kanjalo ke nalapha endaweni yaseBhalito umnyango ke wezokubusa ngokubambisana lapha kwaZulu-Natal oholwa ke owengamele ke ungqongqoshe ubonga isithole emloyo isanda ke ukukhipha statement nesithi ke amathimba ezenhlekelele ke amatasa ke lapha esifundazweni ke azama ke uhlola ke umonakalo ke udalwe ilezi imvula ke ezenzekile lapha esifundazweni neziqhubekayo ke nokho ukuthi zenzeke. Ake ngisuke ke esithombeni bese ngicela uza kwethu uSibuko kwaTembe ukuthi ke atshengise ke kafushane umbukeli walezi indaba ukuthi ke lo monakalo esikhuluma ngawo ungakanani lapha endaweni yasemhlanga lapha esikhona. Njengoba kubonakala ke ingqalasizinda yamanzi ithintekile lapha, ingqalasizinda kagesi nayo ithintekile, umgwaqo lo uvaliwe nje, akekho ovumelekile ukuthi ke ahambe eduzane nalendawo njengoba ubona ke kukhona esingathi ke itape la ebekiwe uqinisekisa ukuthi ke abantu bayabona ke ubungozi bendawo nesakhiwo ke futhi esiseduzane nawo lomgwaqo sithintekile njengoba ke umbukele bona nje simeke cishe esingathi ke ngeinsimbi ikhonkwane ezakhelwe ke ngaphansi, kepha ke esikutholile ke ukuthi izakhamuzi ezihlala ke kusona lesakhiwo zikhathazekile ke impela ngalomonakalo ke usubonayo ke uqhubeka lapha esifundazweni kwaZulu Natal. Njengoba ngishilo ke ukuthi amathimba ezenhlekelele aphumile ke athe chithisaka asazama ke uqoqa ke esingathi ke ulwazi lokuthi mungakanani umonakalo ke okwenzekile kusukela ke zibe khona ke lezi imvula einamandla nayizolo ke eziholele ekutheni ke izikole zisheshe zivalwe, abafundi bayalelwe ukuthi ke babuyele ke emakhaya. Sinjalo ke isimo lapha esifundazweni kwaZulu Natal, nesizoqhubeka ke ukuthi lalele ukuthi ke izakhamuzi zona ke zithini ngalomonakalo olokhu uqhubekile.
Etemakethe sifuna ukuthi rand liqinile licathaniswa netimali takulamanye amave.
Nginibingelele ngiphinze nginamukele kunasi isimo selitulo babukela emakhaya sanibona nasibuka namhla kusihlwa siyabona ukuthi cha kubonakala ngathi kena ngemoto wemvula ibonakala kwenhlanga live kanti nakusasa abesele njalo amafu wemvula kanti kakhulu lapha esifundeni sefle isikhulu ntongagcina safe khona ku 30% kanti ke naseligwini kwehlela khona lapha eNingizimu Live bonakala amafu wemvula kagcina safe khona ku 30%, umoya ogijima ufe khona ku 10 km ngeli hour. Babukela emakhaya singena khona lapha ufutomala kulive la eGauteng iJohannesburg itawucala khona ku 11 euro 24, iPitoli hleti ku 27, Carltonville hleti ku 26, Vereeniging uhleti lapha ku 25, sinyukela khona lapha esifundeni lapha eLimpopo Musini uhleti khona ku 25, Polokwane qala ku 59 euro 22, Mokopane qala ku 79 euro 26, phela ihleti ku 27 kanti Thabazini ihleti khona ku 29, sinyukela khona lapha eMpumalanga eSikhukuza ihleti khona ku 27 kanti Lidi impela ihleti khona ku 23, Middleburg qala khona ku 9 euro 26, Malahleni ihleti ku 25, eSekunda lipholile qala khona ku 17 ihleti khona ku 22, emva kwamadina singena khona lapha eKwaZulu Natal laba lapha eThekwini ihleti khona ku 24, Pietermaritzburg qala ku 12 inyukela khona ku 23, Kroonstad ihleti ku 21 kanti ke lapha esifundeni lapha eMpumalanga Kapa eMthatha ihleti khona ku 25 kanye neKomani kanti iCredo qala ku 11 inyukela khona ku 32, singena khona lapha enzaweni lapha eCape Town lapha enzaweni lapha eCape Town ihleti khona ku 37, uso ihleti khona ku 40, Hansberg Forest qala ku 17 ihleti inyukela 36 kanti George ihleti khona ku 27 kanye neMossel Bay. Singena khona lapha esifundeni sefu lesikhulu noTotonke enzaweni lapha ePinton ihleti khona ku 37 kanti Kurumane ihleti ku 28, Kimberley ihleti khona ku 31 kanti DR qala khona ku 15 inyukela khona ku 32, Sutherland uhleti khona lapha ku 33, emva kwamadina babukela emakhaya singena khona lapha eFree State enzaweni lapha eSasolburg ihleti khona ku 28 kanye neCrookstad kanti Welcome qala khona ku 30 inyukela khona ku 29, Bloemfontein ahleti khona ku 28, Wephana ahleti naye ku 28 kanti Bethlehem ihleti khona ku 26, enzaweni lapha eNorth West babukela emakhaya Rustenburg ihleti khona ku 29, Ottosdale ihleti khona lapha ku 27, emva kwamadina kanti Vryburg ihleti khona lapha ku 29 kanye neTosca kubuka ngathi ngilobona ngiphathelana buka lokuhle ekuhleli nanzelako nisalene kahle.